This is the power source for my sound system. That's a Zeus 600 old school and Gemini old school. I have one battery here, Kinetech. This is a 2400 watt. It's pretty good. You keep this system right here, and I'm gonna take it to the next side where I have the other setup. Okay, here is a Phoenix Gold equalizer and my audio control crossover. I got 4 cap on the amps over there, one for each sub. These are some tough shit, man. These can kick hell out of these bucks. These bucks here in the back, this thing hits real hard, man. Okay, I'm gonna show you the woofer next. Okay, these are the 18 SX18. These are like 5,000 RMS, and trust me, these kick the shit out of you, man. The best bass line in Jamaica right now. You want bass, you got bass. Okay, pretty good. Over there is my 10-inch EV Force and 2 tweeters on that side of the door, and here on the other door I got out of 8. Yeah, pretty cool, huh? This is my Alpine C800. I got this radio brand new, bought it like 2 months ago. It's almost 10 years old, but it was brand new. I get it for like 400 bucks. I'm pretty stupid, huh? Those of you who play DVD insert, but it's okay. I love it because when I put the bass, it doesn't jump or skip at all, so it's good. Okay, this is the radio. As you can see, it's a nice radio. It's cool. Play excellent, good clarity. Yeah. And these are the other mid. These are the other box at the window. I have to go outside to show you the speakers on the other side. Okay? Cool. This is a 87 Nissan Maxima. Still got 44,000 miles. That's the drive. Only in Jamaica. Yeah, man. Big up. Okay, this is the other 2 and 2 on the other side of the door. So I'm using 6 EV. And trust me, I'm pretty loud. Yeah. So 6 and 2, 8, 10 tweeter, 6 EV. I'm some cap. Now they live. Yeah.